This Nigerian heartbreaker is behind an $8 million global scam empire and was finally nabbed in Argentina. Ikechukwu Ndubuisi, nicknamed Anthony, a 49-year-old Nigerian citizen, has just been arrested after being on the run for 3 years. Ndubuisi was arrested at Ezeiza International Airport in Argentina during immigration checks after arriving from Brazil on an Ethiopian airline flight. His arrest followed an Interpol red notice issued against him. Argentine security officials detained him on suspicion of being involved in an international fraud and money laundering network. So what does he do? Ikechukwu Ndubuisi is described by investigators as a leading member of a transnational criminal ring operation across South America, Africa, and even Europe. His partner, Obinna Chukwuemeka Ejikeme, aka Bobby, also has an international arrest warrant but managed to escape from Argentina. Reports from Argentine media says that their group carried out large-scale romance and online scams, often targeting women to obtain money under false pretense. Funds from these scams were allegedly moved through services such as Western Union and cryptocurrency accounts, and some reports suggest that part of the proceeds may have been used to support extremist groups in Africa. Can you imagine that? So how do they operate? His team of scammers pretended to be surgeons, journalists, and even US soldiers on missions to Kabul, Afghanistan. They would say that they're looking for, assistance with moving back to Argentina after they retire, and that's usually where they get the women hooked. One of the victims was contacted on Tinder by, the gang member. This one was pretending to be a civil engineer. He said that he was hired to build a bridge and would be paid $10 million. In the middle of the romantic messages, the scammer told the victim that his bank account was blocked and couldn't access money. He asked for help and promised to return the money when he gets to Argentina. The victim wired $1.188 million. But when they realized that it was a scam, it was already too late. They used mules hired by the organization to distribute this money, and these guys get money, they get commission in exchange for helping the scammers. Ikechukwu was charged with several offenses under Argentina's criminal code, including fraud, and Article 172 to 173 of the Estafa and Defraudación, excuse me if I didn't say that well, cyber-enabled fraud and money laundering under Law 25.246. Investigators are also exploring possible terrorism financing links under Article 213, quarter of the Penal Code. The next step in this case involves Argentina's federal court in Buenos Aires, where Judge Manuel de Campos is overseeing the investigation. So authorities are tracing financial records and coordinating with Interpol to identify accomplices and follow the money trail. So Ndubuisi will remain in custody while the prosecutors prepare a formal indictment and decide whether to pursue extradition or proceed with trial in Argentina. So guys, this is what is trending today. His face is all over the media. We're yet to hear more, but if I hear more, I'll definitely keep you posted.